I was sent these espresso machine cleaner tablets. Now my espresso machine doesn't really have a cleaning function mode, so I am improvising, but we're gonna see if it works. So many tablets. This is the size of them. Since I don't have a rubber one, I'm just kind of putting you in the smallest one and then hooking it up, and we're gonna run water through. Also, I did just fill up our water reservoir. And now I'm just running water through the system, and you can kind of see it's sporadically coming out. So it should be a continuous drip, but it's not quite doing that. So it's definitely doing its job, which is great. It needs to be cleaned. And now it's coming out much better. Now I'm ready to try it with espresso. But overall good, and then let's taste it. Everyone says your espresso tastes better after, and I just took a sip, and actually, I think it does. I love that it can work on all different espresso machines, because mine, I definitely had to improvise, and it still did a great job.